Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Damn belt.
At 7:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were
Jesus,
located
man.
along a line extending from Little River Canyon National Preserve to Cornwall Furnace Park to near Knighton's Crossroads, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Damn.
Hazard, 60 miles
50 miles an hour.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Somerville, Tryon, Cave Spring, Cheyenne, Lyerly, Lindale, Sedlicna, Tidings, Darmucky, Coosa, Barrington, Chattooga, Everett Springs, James H. Floyd State Park in Holland.
What?
A tornado watch remains in
Pause.
effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern
Oh, that got
Georgia.
it.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Damn.
Your thunderstorm
Here we go again.
effect until 7:50
Alright, I'm just gonna be warning you guys right now. There's gonna be tons of uploads today. See ya.